gotta see this fastback over here. Look like it's from Gone in 60 Seconds. This thing here, yo, this is crazy. Oh, hey, buddy.
How you doing?
This is yours?
Yes, sir.
I'm
Yes,
sorry, I
sir.
didn't mean to be so close.
No problem, no problem.
You're so tall. It's like, bam. How you doing? What's your name, man?
Neil Long. Neil Long, pleasure.
Man, this is your car?
This is my car.
So this reminds me of Gone in 60 Seconds. This is like 67, 68?
1967. I started this car right after the movie came out. I was the guy that called up the company that made the cars for the movie.
That made Eleanor?
That made the Eleanor car for the movie, and I actually talked them into building the kits because they weren't planning on mass producing the kits.
Wait a minute, so they built that kit for Eleanor only for the movie?
Just for the movie. They literally asked me, you think they'll sell? And I'm on the phone like, are you nuts? I told them, you'll sell every kit you make.
So did you build this car?
I've been working on it off and on for about 20 years.
What?
Yeah, that's about how old the movie is.
This is a special car.
He even explained to me, he said, hey, the stunt cars wouldn't handle, so they had to upgrade the suspension and the chassis. And I said, well, what did they do? And he gave me all of that.
And you did it?
Yeah. I actually built it to be a road race car. The suspension is all coilover. And if you look under there, you can see the cage.
Oh, wow, look at that. That's special.
It's all adjustable, fully adjustable shocks.
Look at that.
Adjustable for height. This car is designed where under load in a corner, the rear end will actually articulate just a slight bit to give you a kind of a rear steer feature that it will oversteer before it'll understeer.
Wow. This is a TBI, right? Throttle body injection.
Absolutely. It's actually a Ford 351 Windsor and that they've punched out to 408.
What kind of power are we looking at?
A little over 550 horsepower,
Really?
560 foot-pounds.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Yeah. And it's got a nice quiet sound. I mean, it's got a throaty.
Yes. Exactly. We just wanted the bass without the loud thrappy sound.
No treble, all bass.
Yeah, exactly.
And I like that. I'm gonna be honest with you, when you said you own it, I'm sorry. I kind of thought that maybe you bought it like this.
No, I built it.
Shame on me.
Yeah, well,
shame on me.
Hey, I'm an old road racer. I used to road race motorcycles, so this is my idea of the ultimate.
I drag race motorcycles.
There you go,
so,
there you go.
Neil, thank you again, man.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
What a treat.
This is my 74th Caffeine and Octane in a row. You cannot miss this. It's so much fun. Every time I come here, I see something new I haven't seen before, and I've seen millions of cars by now. As long as I can get here, I'll be here. Rain, sleet, snow, or hail.